Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. A questionnaire is used to collect information from respondents by means of surveys and statistical studies, which comprises a set of questions. The research questionnaire is usually a mixture of closed and open-ended questions. In this video we will learn about what a good questionnaire is, how to perfect the designs and questions that are appropriate for your research, as well as its best ways of being used when designing questionnaires. Let's begin. First, we need to understand, what are questionnaires? Questionnaires are a series of written questionnaires, which can be used to collect standardized information on people's opinions, preferences, experiences, motives and behavior in order to conduct scientific studies. They are said to be unlike surveys in that they do not collect massive data for further analysis, although the term is commonly used interchangeably nowadays and a number of research studies use them together. In general, survey questionnaires are very structured and allow similar types of information to be gathered from a lot of respondents at the same time while being able to analyze these data in quantitative terms. Open and closed questionnaire formats among others. The design of your questionnaire will depend on whether you choose an open format to collect exploratory information or a closed format to acquire quantitative data. Advantages of open format. 1. Allows to explore the range of possible topics arising from your research question. 2. Supports the understanding and generation of hypotheses on a topic. Advantages of closed format. Multiple choice. 1. Easy and quick to complete. 2. Ensures all respondents receive same stimuli. 3. Easy to record and analyze results quantitatively. What are you supposed to do about it now? The main thing is to plan and prepare. Although a questionnaires design may seem easy on the surface, there are several elements that you want to be careful of. You must determine the objectives and intentions of your research, understand who you will be speaking to, as well as formulate a plan for it before knowing how to phrase those questions precisely. 6 steps to good questionnaire design. 1. Identify your research aims and the goal of your questionnaire. What are the information you want to collect from your questionnaire? What's the main objective of yours? Ideally, you'll be able to use existing questionnaires validated by published studies and perhaps even borrow a few ideas from them. This can occur frequently within psychological research, as there is a broad range of research being carried out in a variety of different fields. While this can be quite common, it's not always the case. It might, for example, be rather difficult to find or reuse existing questionnaires for commercial applications. In this case, you might still be able to draw inspiration from pre-existing research, although greater care in the following steps will likely be needed. 2. Define your target respondents. It is clear that you are not allowed to sample everyone. It would be more than probable that there must be certain restrictions for your questionnaires' target audience. In order to maximize the robustness of your study, the selection of groups is a key factor. Another aspect to consider is whether you want to run multiple questionnaire sessions over a longer period of time with a single group, longitudinal design, or if you want to present your questionnaire once to 2 or more groups, cross-sectional design. While the former allows you to analyze how questionnaire results have changed over time with regard to groups, the latter provides information on group differences. 3. Develop question. The cornerstone of any questionnaire is the right questions. To make them work, they need to be pointed out in a way which will prevent any misunderstandings or ambiguities. Trying to analyze data from a questionnaire where people mix up answers, select wrong answers, or do not understand questions is often a lost cause. Additionally, remember to avoid jargon or technical language. The text needs to be fully understood by anyone completing the questionnaire. 4. Choose your question type. How to put a question is something of a variety. On exploratory questionnaires you will find the bulk of questions which are subject to a wide range of responses, where participants can submit any answers, and this should make sense if you wish to learn how topics relate to your research question. On the other hand, closed questions, which have been defined by the researcher in the form of multiple-choice answers or rating scales, such as the Likert scale, are primarily included in quantitative questionnaires. 5. Design question sequence and overall layout. It is time to improve the general flow and layout of the questionnaire once you have optimized each question on its own. Isn't there a switch from one question to the next? Do you place the follow-up questions correctly? If necessary, shall the skip rules be applied in order to allow participants to evade questions not applicable to them? 6. Run a pilot. For the purpose of evaluation and optimization, this stage is essential. Before taking further action, each questionnaire should be presented to an invited sample of your target audience. You will be able to identify problems in readability and understanding, in wording and overall structure during the pilot. In order to better understand their experiences, it might be useful to discuss the questionnaire with pilot participants. In order to ensure that analytical procedures of interest are actually used in the data, it must be noted that you will assess your pilot data on a statistical basis. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will assist in developing the questionnaire or survey design. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.